The 12 Labors of Hercules, Part 1. After killing his family in an insane rage induced by Hera, Hercules went to Eurystheus, the king of Mycenae, and offered to be his slave. He was prepared to accept the most difficult tasks as punishment for his crime. Eurystheus invented 12 tasks, known as the 12 Labors. They were all nearly impossible to accomplish, even for the strongest man on earth. The first labor was to kill the Nemean lion. In the Nemean valley near Mycenae, a terrible lion ranged. Hercules went there, taking his bow and quiver of arrows, and the big club he had always had with him. He found the lion's den, but the beast was out hunting, so Hercules waited. At the end of the day, the lion came back, licking its slavering chops, spotted with the blood of its prey. Hercules shot an arrow, but it bounced off the beast's hide, for this was a special lion. It could not be killed with conventional weapons. Only Hercules' incredible strength could conquer the beast. He slammed his club over the lion's head. The club splintered, but momentarily stunned the beast. Hercules jumped on its back, worked down the hind legs with his feet, grabbed the lion's neck with his hands, drew back the head, and strangled him. He cut off the tawny hide with the lion's own claws, and took it back with him, but would not give it up to Eurystheus. He had won it as a trophy of war in a fair fight, which none could deny, and he wore it afterwards with the head on his own head like a helmet. The second labor concerned the Lernaean Hydra. This was a beast, a big snake with 9 heads. The Hydra lived way off in the swamps and marshes of Argos, near the sea. Hercules rode to the place in his chariot, driven by his nephew Iolaus. When they got there, the hero tried several weapons: arrows, his club, and a sickle. He cut off one head after another, but whenever he had severed one, 2 more grew in its place. A huge crab came to help the Hydra, and young Iolaus ran up to help.